Everybody, it's me, Dion Sun, Wall Street here from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, greatest financial institution in the world. Although it's pretty painful, the ceiling, the floor, let's talk. Quarter for 250,000, 250,000, 3 A's, take them. This is episode 9,857 of What the Heck is Going On. Look at that. There is absolutely nothing but green on that, nothing but red on that screen. Blood in the streets. We need to talk here, okay? Because you've got the S&P down 135, the Dow down 1,000 points. I mean, VIX up is about 12%. That is the only green on the screen, with gold hitting record highs, flight to safety. So what's going on? I mean, we came in after a weekend. No deals were made, not even the smaller ones. That was what needed to happen this week, okay? That's what needed to happen. We needed to start checking off the box of smaller countries for deals being made. Otherwise, it just feels like the administration is not concerned with what's going on here. We've got a market that is eroding, confidence that is eroding, right? You've got guidance that can't be called. You've got earnings that are impacted. You've got growth that's being tortured. You've got Nvidia that got cut off at the knees. I mean, there's nothing good going on here, right? And you know me, I'm the inveterate bull, right? And I want to give you some hope, but there's nothing good going on, especially when we're not getting even any word out of the White House that's saying, okay, listen, I have a plan. This is it. This is going to suffer. This is going to benefit. This is the plan. Give me a long-term plan. Give me something I can hang my coat on. But we are not getting anything here. And that's why markets are going down 1,000 points a day. Okay, right? We are down. NASDAQ down 22% from the high. We're approaching a double bottom here, and that's not a good thing, net, from the high of February 19th. Okay, and this is all because the president thinks that he's, and no disrespect to the president, but the president thinks that he can fire Jay Powell. Right now, why is that the case? Why is that causing so much, undermining of the market? First of all, there's no confidence in the market at all. Right? Because this is a self-inflicted wound on the part of the administration, which just makes no sense whatsoever. It is absolutely economic terrorism. That's it. That's number one. Secondly, if in some way he is able to oust Jay Powell, well, what then do you have? It's like really, literally, it's like changing the captain of the ship in midstream, a ship that is sinking in midstream, right? This could have been so much different. He was handed a box, an economy and a market that was virtually impeccable, that was doing beautifully, that the Fed in their last meeting had actually cut guidance going forward for less interest rate cuts because things were so good. We did not want to expend the bullet from a gun unless we had to, and we didn't have to. And then single-handedly, we were trading at record highs on February 19th, and we have gotten absolutely eviscerated in this market. Self-inflicted. Makes no sense whatsoever. If you had a plan and you wanted to do the tariff thing, which is not any kind of a tried and true policy that has worked, okay, then do it. But lay out the plan. Make it clear to us. Give us something to hang our hat on with hope and with clarity, right? But that's not what we're getting. And once again, we are now... look, every day, every week, we are getting absolutely the wind knocked out of us. You can't keep doing this ongoing every day, every week, every month at this point, because you are absolutely breaking down this market. Think about it. Whether you're people who happen to have endorsed this administration in the beginning, I would imagine if you guys looked at your portfolios, your retirement funds, your 401ks that are now 201ks, you're wondering, did I sign up for this? I'm not sure you signed up for this. People who wanted to retire in 2025 who are not going to be because they're down 20 and 30%. I mean, give me something to hang my hat on. I'm dying. Look, if there's a plan, please give it to me. I have 100% faith that something can happen, but I'm not seeing it. Every day I come in and I know today's the day. You're going to swoop in and you're going to be the golden knight, and you're going to have a plan, sign a deal with whoever, with China, and it's all going to be fine and good, and the market's going to rebound 10% a day for 8 days, and we're going to be back to where we were. But it isn't happening. When is that going to happen? That's the story I'm looking for. Okay? That's the story I'm looking for. The only silver lining on any of this is the fact that as a technical analyst, my partner, David Green at Wall Street Global Trading Academy, who tomorrow night, WSGTA, on Wednesday night, we are having an amazing masterclass trading in the new world of Trump, right? technical analysis, trading futures, learning how to navigate this market, accessible, affordable, and fun. It's working. We're done trading at 11 o'clock. David Green, master technician. At 11 o'clock, we've hit our goal, right? The setups are amazing. Moving average trades, far from moving average trade, trend trades, reversal, swing trades, whatever you want to do. Technically, the market's trading beautifully. But that only means that you're out here trying to scalp a market to protect whatever decimation is being taken of your pension fund and your 401k, your 201k, and all that other stuff. So anyway, I don't know. I'm at a loss for words, even though I've been rambling for 9.5 minutes. But you know what? This is frustrating. It's upsetting. And it's got to end. It's got to end in some kind of a way. And we've got to put a stop to this. The bleeding must stop. Somebody come in here, do some major triage, and don't change ship captains in the middle of the voyage, because you're going to run into a tsunami. I'm not sure we haven't found that one already. Anyway, that's all I got to say about that. Bing bong.